Alright, we're gonna get some more yellow tilers. Oh! We're going to North Head again. Just finished getting some live bait on the bite grounds here at Sound Peaks Reef. Kingy came through the yakkers. You can see the kingy coming through the yellowtail school. Just seen it when I double checked the movie. That was awesome. Alright, we're going to North Head, try to get some more kingies. Hopefully there's something bigger. There's a lot of small ones around, but you know, they're still good fun. Better than staying home. Next week might go back to work. So let's try to get some kingies at North Head. Hasta la vista, baby. Oh. Nice little fish. He's got his fins hurt in the back. Let him go. Let's put another yakker on. Pretty rough out here. Got the hook here. Put the yakker on the chin. Sorry. Put the hook on the chin and just bring him right up here. That's it. Let's go. Oh! Oh! He's got hurt on the head. Maybe a shark or something. I have no idea. But otherwise it's a nice little fish. I'm gonna keep this one, it's just 65 centimeter. It's coffee time! Coffee, coffee, coffee! Nice coffee in Clifton Gardens like always. Then a little bit more fishing. Got a few small kingies. Try to get some squid. I can't put everything on the GoPro, but there was nothing. Very bad with squiding. Can't wait to go down to Jarvis Bay. We're gonna have a coffee and then head slowly back. and see if there's some more activity somewhere. Otherwise, go and wash the boat. Clifton Gardens like always. Alright, another day. I'll see you guys in the next movie. Hopefully there's more happening. Still waiting for some big kingies. But you have to be patient, that's what it is. Not many people have been getting anything this week. So I don't know if it's because of full moon or too much fresh water. Outside the heads it's alright, just been too rough. Too much wind all the time. So see you in the next one.